in case you can't tell, I'm feeling myself. So yes, there's that one too. Okay, so
You know I am the one. You know we are the one. You know I am the one. You know we are the one.
Once or twice I get this feeling. I kinda hope you believe me, 'cause many times I try, although it's hard for me. Last night I bought a coffee, and then she said that I look sloppy. Never seem to realize, I know for sure that your mama no like me. Your mama no want me near you. Your mama go tell me, say, you know dead when you dead, be like, say, she know they play. Your mama no like me. Your mama no want me near you. Your mama go tell me, say, you know dead when you dead, be like, say, she know they play. All the time she saw me, and all the days she ignored me. Heaven knows I tried, although it's hard for me. Not a day, another story, another memory. And then you say you realize from my eye, don't realize when I cry. Your mama no like me. Your mama no want me near you. Your mama go tell me, say, you know dead when you dead, be like, say, she know they play. Your mama no like me. Your mama no want me near you. Your mama go tell me, say, you know dead when you dead, be like, say, she know they play. I never know what I'll do. I never know what I could say. She know they want me, she know they want me, she know they agree with me. She want make a go, she want make a leave. Your mama no like me, your mama no like me, your mama no want me, your mama no want me. Your mama go tell me, say, you know dead when you dead, be like, say, she know they play. Your mama no like me. Your mama no want me near you. Your mama go tell me, say, you know dead when you dead, be like, say, she know they play. Your mama no like me. Your mama no want me near you. Your mama go tell me, say, you know dead when you dead, be like, say, she know they play. Kajo, 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 kayo, kayo, kajo. Uyo me yo le uosa okami. Uyo me ya, uyo me ya. Oh, uyo me ya le uosa okami. Uyo me ya, uyo me ya. Uyo me ya le uosa okami. Everybody's born a winner, yeah, yeah. If only you just believe, yeah, yeah. Close your eyes and come and see, yeah.
results of my spoolies in this hairstyle. I hope you guys try it. It's really easy and doesn't look as complicated. Now, don't forget to don't forget that you find them on Natural Hair Accessories on IG, and tell them your girl sent you. Tell them your girl sent you here. And I hope you give the spoolies a try. Like, I wasn't expecting this. And you guys know I'm a mess at separating, so this is definitely a win. I'm very, very impressed. Very impressed. Thank you for watching this week's video. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like. Oh god, hit the like button, and if you have any comments or video suggestions, leave it in the comment box, and hit the subscribe button. Like, it's free. Hit it and let's join this family, guys. So if you do try this hairstyle, don't forget to tag me in your pictures so I repost them. Or I would, leave it in next week's video. If there are any things you want me to try, don't forget to hit your girl up on Instagram at Ikea. And yeah, I'll see you guys on another video. Thank you for watching. Bye.